If you need to close your Splitit account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Splitit website or app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your account information handy for verification. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section. This area typically contains options related to your account management. Step 3. Find the close account option. Look for the option that allows you to close or deactivate your account. This may be labeled as close account, delete account, or something similar. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Click on the close account option and follow any prompts provided. You may need to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After completing the process, check your email or account notifications for a confirmation message. This will confirm that your account has been successfully closed. Closing your account on Splitit can be done quickly by following these steps. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.